Today we're gonna make a cocktail that I created 8 years ago. Haven't had it in 6. Let's see if I can remember how to make it.
That's a long time.
It's the summer of 43. This week it is Basil week on Alchemix Bar. And I know everyone sitting at home on the couch is saying, it's almost the end of summer. Why are you doing basil? I don't know.
Because I really wanted a basil. Well, no. I really wanted something made with Hendrix that had basil in it.
Right. So stay tuned for Friday for the tasting room where we do basil and we do all the Hendrix review. So today we're gonna do the summer of 43. It's a cocktail I created about 8 years ago. I really enjoyed it back then. Haven't had it for quite a while. I think I made it for your mom about 6 years ago. She really liked it.
Yep. And you don't really remember the specs.
I don't remember that at all. Because back then, I mean, I did write them down, but I don't know. I no longer have those sheets. Nowhere on Instagram or Facebook can I find the actual recipe.
Right, because you've moved what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times since
A lot
then?
of times.
5 times.
And yeah, so now I do everything on the cloud.
Yes.
So this is a cocktail again. Back in the day, I was really heavy-handed on Licor 43, hence the name Summer of 43. That's the whole magical name reason for this cocktail because I invented it in summer. It reminds me of summer, basil. So let's see if this drink is as good as we remember it being.
Right.
And
Mom's
again,
probably gonna be super jealous when she watches this video.
I know.
Sorry, Mom.
So, again, the lemon juice, I remember back in the day, I used lemonade out of a gun, which is completely different than using fresh lemon juice and simple syrup because it's already not balanced, but it already is consistent, sweetened and stuff like that. So I had to guess and hope I got the ratios correct because like we stated earlier, I did not write this down or I do not know where that is written down at anymore. So I used 2 ounces of lemon juice and then 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 3/4 ounce of Licor 43, thinking that should be enough sweetness to balance out the lemon juice.
Right.
And then vanilla vodka is still sweet also. So in my mind, that's a lot of sweetness to go with 2 ounces of lemon juice.
Right.
So let's give it a try.
Going back to reworking it would have been way too much work. Oh, that's delicious. That really is delicious.
Yeah. It is on a little tartar side still.
Yes.
That lemon juice still kind of comes through, but I think it works very well with everything.
And the basil on the nose is extremely important. This garnish really just seals the whole thing.
And you get the vanilla from the Licor 43 and the vodka.
Yeah.
And then you get the orange notes from the Licor 43 in there also, and it just all works very well together.
It's a very fresh, very light cocktail.
Yep. And this is probably better than what it was 8 years ago.
Well, yeah, if you were using lemonade from a gun.
Right. I think this is really good. I think it holds up. It holds up perfectly. I like the ratios. I don't think I would change a thing.
I think you could probably increase the simple just a little.
Maybe.
Because it is very sour.
I guess I just like that when I think lemonades and stuff like that.
But most people don't have that sour palate. So maybe
So
maybe an ounce to an ounce and a quarter of simple.
No, not an ounce and a quarter.
Depending
maybe an ounce.
on your palate.
Okay, yes, on your palate, but I would say most people who make cocktails anymore, that's a lot. That's a lot of sugar. Try it out. Let us know if you guys tried out how much simple syrup you put in there. I think this is great. Good job.
I need 7 more, please.
Well, you know how to make this because you're in the video, so.
I don't know how to make it.
You're still got a full one. You're good. So watch this upcoming Friday's episode where we do basil gin smash with our first time returning guests on a tasting room episode.
Yes. Where we review all 4 of the Hendrix varieties.
Yep. It's a good episode. It was fun doing. We'll see you guys this upcoming Friday.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Why am I taking it like a shot?
I don't know.